Hello friends, this is Alejandra Gomez featuring another quick and easy card. This time I'm going to be using the Mix and Magic suite, which has the Magical Day, and this one is the stamp set that you get. I think this is great for little kids. I've been doing some cards with a unicorn and I think they just look gorgeous. The paper that comes in this suite is this one, and you can see I have already cut a lot of it, but it's gorgeous. It has a piece that has some sort of like shimmery look that of course looks absolutely gorgeous. So, and this one is called Mix and Magic Special Design Series paper. Then there's also a coordinating what is this, thinlits or framelits I should say, and this is Magical Mates framelits, and when you get those two together you get a 10% discount as a bundle. This product is actually retiring at the end of May, which I cannot believe because I think it's very popular. If you go to Pinterest, you'll see a lot of ideas on this one. The other thing that this collection has, and I think is just awesome, is the coal. And you can see I have here several pieces, but this one is the glimmer paper, and I think this one is awesome. I mean, look into this one, don't you think? It shines real well, and it comes in three colors, and it's 6x6. So anyway, let's go for the card. I have already, and I don't know. Yes, I think I'll use this one. But anyway, we'll see. I'm still not really sure. But anyway, you know me by now. I never have a card done before this show. I do want to say that the card layout was an idea from another demonstrator, and so I thought it was really cute. So anyway, I have a piece of vellum, and this one is, I believe it's 3.5 by 3. Yes. Then I have already die cut an oval out of the melon member, and this one is using the layering ovals. And then of course my favorite die cuts, it's the Stitch Shapes framelits, because it has all the squares, the ovals, and the circles in just one set, so I think it's just perfect. I have a strip that is 5.5 by half 5.5 long by a half of an inch. I've already die cut the word amazing from the thinlits that we've got out of Celebration. Celebrate Your Thinlits. And these are going to be available in the new catalog. So if you don't have them, don't worry. You can get them starting in June. But you might have already gotten it for free during Celebration. So who knows. Then I have a scrap of, what is this? Lemon Lime Twist that I already pre-punched with the dual banner punch. And then out of the design series paper, I already hand cut the little mermaid and the little, I don't know how to call these guys, but it's a little seahorse, I think. I know in Spanish that's kind of what we call them. And then I have a piece of design series paper, and this one is 4.5 by 5.5, I believe. And let me see, because it seems, yeah, it seems like, oh, 4.25 by 5. Oh, you know what? And then let me just cut this one real quick, because this one is going to be slightly bigger. Yes, I need it to be the same size. And this one is 5 1/4, and I guess it's 5 1/4 since I just cut it. Yes, so 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. And I have this piece that will go here. And now that I did that cut, I probably need to cut a little bit, because I wanted to have like 1 inch, 1 inch frame, so I can have half an inch in all areas. So let me just do that. And so this one would be 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, because I want it to be like so. So anyway, so like I said, this one is not my original idea. I'm going to be folding this in half, and of course I'm always losing everything, you know me. Every single time I'm filming or sharing something, I'm always losing something, right? So you can see I'm going to be lining up this one here, and I want the shiny area to look, so let's just go ahead. But before we do that, I want to also put this little section here. So let's just put a little bit of the adhesive here. Okay, and we're gonna be gluing this because I want all the little frame to show, and you can tell here this one has to be trimmed since I cut everything to 5 1/4, so we'll have to cut that one. And then we're gonna have, okay, and we're gonna line up this car perfectly. You want to line it up like so. And like I said, this is not my original idea. I saw someone doing it with another piece of design series paper, and I think it's just gorgeous because see this, you can get to see both sides of the cardstock. Now I actually choose my coordinating line from this side because that way when they open it, it kind of all will coordinate. Then we're gonna be putting this in the center of the card, and this is when you're actually going to be writing. So here we go. That way you can have a place where you can write since everything is black on that end. And for this one, I have I'm using the little bubbles. I don't know that you can see them here, but it is this little one. And I'm just going to be adding a little bit of this to the card. Let me just get the Bermuda Bay. And again, I'm just filling up the background because I'm going to be having there my little mermaid. So half the bubbles right there. I'm going to be gluing these already. Let's just glue these on this section. I'm not going to add any of the dimensionals, but I want to put the dimensionals on the mermaid. So on this little one, let's just put dimensionals. Okay, maybe another one somewhere here, and let's just add one of those little bitty ones on the hair, and I think it should be fine at this point. Alrighty, let's just add this one, and I want to put it like so, and then I'm going to be adding this one too, and I think one of these should be able to fit. I think it does. Yes, perfectly. And I'm going to be putting this little guy like maybe here. Yeah, I think it looks cute, don't you think? So this guy is gonna go here. Yes. But I wanted to do, I've seen more and more where people are using this thing. So I'm just gonna, you know what? I probably need like half of it. So let me just bring my, because I only want a little border to show. So I think 3.5 is too much. So I'm just gonna have maybe like 1 and what is this? 1 3/4. And what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing a little flag. So I'm gonna cut it in the center and then point to point. And the same thing here. Point to point. And here we go. I'm gonna add it here. because I just want to show a little bit of it, you know, just want to have a little bit of it. So I'm going to put the adhesive here on this section that no one can really see. There we go. And you're going to cover that here, so don't worry about that. We're going to add this one with dimensionals. All right. And this one will go like so. And you know what, before I do that, let's just finish this section before. Because I want this one to show here. And so I might have to, would this one go up? Yes. Which I'm kind of impressed because this is kind of the fast views, you know, and so I'm going to put this one here. I think it's better. And so we're going to be using the fine tip glue pen, of course. And let me just take the little gooey on the top. And alright, this, I know it's a little bit tedious to watch me, but when I'm doing that, but anyway, I tried to do a skinny line everywhere because I wanted to glue well, you know. And so let's just go ahead and put it here, and I'm gonna hold it for a second. All right, I'm gonna hold it. Then, don't forget, you always need to close this. And we're going to go ahead and put that one here. Now, just to finalize that, I'm going to put here this one. And I found that we have a little... I was debating as to what to do. And I thought I can use this one that says UR, which I probably like. Let's just do that. And I have a piece of, from where I cut this one. So let's just cut that. And now I don't find my scissors, of course. It always happens, right? Oh, here. Can you believe I put them on the trash can? So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this just because I think it will be better to use. I thought I was gonna use that other scrap of paper that I had already pre-punched, but I think I like this one better. And so voila, you have it right here. There we go. So we're gonna put this one. You are amazing. Yes. So for this one, we're gonna put mini dimensionals. And we're gonna put, you know what? I probably like it better here. You are amazing. And then have this one here. Yes, I think I like it better that way. So, let's just peel off all the little pieces. And we're gonna have it like so that we cover all of that. And here it is. Is that not really nice? I think it looks pretty cool. So anyway, so this is one of those cards. This week I'm going to be featuring this week because it's retired and I think it's gorgeous and it's perfect for all the little kids. So anyway, thank you so much. If you order on my online store during the month during any month, you get the card kit of the month, which includes all the supplies to make 4 cards. Everything will be sent except the stamping. And I was gonna say, if your order is $50 or more, then you get the accessory of the month. Everything is mailed the following month, and but you have to use the hostess code. Now, the hostess code, I'm not gonna put it here just because I don't know which month you're gonna be seeing this, and so or watching this. So go to my blog at creatingwithali.com, and you'll find the current hostess code on my main page, as well as every little post that I have there. So go ahead and get it so that you can get the incentive of the month. So anyway, thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.